Hi everybody, it's Jason. I just wanted to say hi, and I haven't made a video in a while because of the simple fact that I really haven't had anything I wanted to film. It's been kind of weird, although in the back of my head I've been like, I gotta make a video, and kind of bummed me out that I wasn't able to come up with a video idea. And it's been kind of a wet, damp, cold spring, and I really didn't want to go out, didn't want to do anything, and my motivation was kind of blown out of the water. And so today I said, you know what, it's raining, I don't care. I'm gonna go take a walk in the woods and enjoy some nature, clear my head, and just see what happens. I've got my new Columbia jacket, rain jacket on, not sponsored. Although if you want to, Columbia, hit me up. And just, we're gonna go take some pictures and see what happens. So let's go. So I found this little spot in the forest. I'm gonna try and see what I can get. I don't know, the light's kind of crap right now. The clouds are spotty. I'm just gonna see what I can get, and if it turns out, I'll show it to you now. So this is what I did for the afternoon, and I hope you guys can hear me over the waterfall behind me. I hope that you enjoyed coming along with me on my little walk in the forest. We avoided some of the rain, which was great. And if you like these type of videos, just give me a thumbs up down below. And while you're down there, hit the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate that. Leave a comment if you like these types of videos, and I'll do more of them. And I'll bring you along, and we can check out some waterfalls and some forests and maybe even some beaches, and we'll just go along, and I'll talk about what I'm doing and the photography that I'm taking. I'll show you some pictures while I walk through the forest or on the beach or whatever it is I'm doing, and I'll take you along with me and show you what I'm doing. If you like that, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you again next time, and have a great day.